Hey guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we'll create a braided updo using a scarf. So basically we'll divide all our hair into two equal sections. Doesn't matter the parting of your hair, you can make wherever you like. We want to make two equal ponytails in the back like I'm showing, using clear elastics. Then grabbing a long scarf, we want to bring it through these elastics like I'm showing here. Now you want to grab one of the ponytails and grabbing the ends of the scarf as well, and we want to make with it a simple 3-strand braid. Make sure to pull a little bit the hair to make it fuller looking. Then you want to tie the ends using a clear elastic as well, and repeat the same braid on other side. Now you want to crisscross our braids in the back, bringing the scarf over our hair like I'm showing. Make the same thing with a second braid, bringing the ends of the scarf backwards and tying the ends into a good knot. Make sure to hide the ends under the scarf if you have any. Use some hairspray if you need, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this spring hairstyles. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video, because I post a lot. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.